In this question, for most of you, the best method is to assign some value for theta, for example, 1 degree or 2 degree, and then you get your target value, and then see which option will give you the same value here. But in this video, we are going to go through the traditional method. The key point here is about some more complicated trigonometric ratio here. First, it's talking about sine 90 degree minus theta. If you still remember, this is talking about angle related to y-axis. This is 0 degree. We rotate anti-clockwise 90 degree and then we go back by theta. So we are describing this triangle. And then based on this, you'll find that the adjacent side and the opposite side is swapped. That's why sine will change to cosine ratio. So that's why this is equal to cosine ratio, cosine theta. We don't need to change the sign, it's because the x coordinate and y coordinates are both in positive region. So it's referred to the cosine ratio have the same value, are also positive. Afterward, we are talking about 360 and then minus theta. 0 degree here, we rotate a complete circle and then we go back by theta. So 360 minus theta are talking about this right angle triangle. And in this case, because both adjacent and the length are positive, so the final result will be positive also. And it's also equal to the original cosine ratio, cosine theta. Finally, we are talking about something related to y-axis. So the angle is flipped again, 270 degree, and then we rotate theta degree more. We are talking about this triangle. And then we find out that sine 270 degree plus theta is the same as the value as negative cosine theta here. So how you memorize it without the graph? If it is related to y-axis, you have to change the format. So about the format, sine will change to cosine. After that, because this is in the fourth quadrant, in this quadrant, the height here, that means the opposite side is negative. That's cause the negative sign here. So that's how you change every element. After you change it, then you can rewrite the questions. Is 1 plus cosine theta and then 1 minus cosine theta over negative cosine theta. It's not yet finished, we still need to simplify it. We expand it, we have 1 square minus cosine square theta. And until this step, we have to think about some identity we know. We know that sine square theta together with cosine square theta is always equal to 1. Therefore, sine square theta alone is equal to 1 minus cosine square theta. I know that the denominator is sine square theta, and then this is negative cosine theta. Basically, this is correct, and then but it doesn't like any ratio here at this moment. So I try to separate the sine and also tangent stuff. Then you have to know another thing, which is about tangent ratio. Tangent ratio is equal to sine ratio divided by cosine ratio. After that, so we try to separate it. We have negative, we have sine theta over cosine theta. At the same time, we have one more sine theta to multiply it. We just change this part. It's give negative tangent theta sine theta. So that's why the answer is D. You have to learn lots of things, including the Form 4 stuff, change every angle within 360 degree. And also, you also need to know about trigonometric identity, about their relations in order to solve it by the traditional method. That's why using the assigning value, the testing method may be more suitable.